Hello everyone, this is Akash Singh, your instructor for Python. I am working on Python for 2 years. I had also made various projects by using Python. For learning Python, no prior knowledge of Python is required. Just some high school mathematics level knowledge is enough to start this course. This course is completely for beginners as well as intermediate level students. Let's see what is Python. Python is general purpose programming language. It is high level, easy to learn and interpreted language. It is used for multi-purpose programming language. Now let's see history behind Python. The development of Python started out as a hobby for its creator Guido van Rossum in 1989 because he wanted to make a language that is beautifully to look and easy for everybody to read. To do this, he used indentation instead of curly braces to basically describe blocks of code that came inside the language. With the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has came into the spotlight because it makes the work more productive and much more easy. Next, see some applications of Python. First is web application, through which you can create your own website. Next is console based application, in which you can control the input through your output screen. Next, see desktop application, by using which you can create your own desktop application. For example, billing application of any shopping mall. And lastly, multimedia applications. By using Python, you can create your multimedia applications like MX Player, VLC Media Player, etc. You can also create GUI application, mobile apps, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm. Let's see why Python is so popular comparing to other languages. Python is the best language to get started off. Its easy syntax and high level features make it one of the best language for anybody to get started off programming. It's the language of everybody. The next reason is why Python is open source language, which means free for anybody to use. Lastly, there are huge of community of people who came together to make the library or module that can be used to obtain the solutions. Next, see features of Python. Features make language attractive. That is what Python is made up of. Let's see different features that Python has for us. The most well-known feature of Python is simplicity. Python has made programming fun because of its simple. It makes you think more for solution rather than syntax. The next important feature is that Python is open source language, which means it is free for anybody to use. Python supports portability, which means you can write your code and share with anybody you want to. Let's move to the next feature, that is Python is interpreted line by line. Python has huge libraries support which would help you to obtain the solutions to your problem easier. You may have questions like how do developers make applications that are so well related to our domain? That is because of object-oriented concept. Python supports OOPs, meaning that you can model real-world problems into your code and have security for it such that access to them is restricted. Next, see where is Python used in the industry. First is Google. Google uses Python to provide better search results and are provided based on the ranking of the website. Next is Dropbox. It is cloud platform to save data online. Its client and server applications are coded by using Python. Next is Netflix. Netflix uses machine learning with Python for its recommendation system. Mostly 75 people watch movies based on its recommendation system. NASA scientists uses Python to perform calculation which help them to reduce the time and make their work easier. We are using a terminal of Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook to run the code. Suppose you want to print a statement, hello world. You can print within a single line. Simply write print within the parenthesis, type hello world. You can use single quote as well as double quotes to write the statement hello world. Let's run the code and see the output. You can see here hello world is displayed as output. Now next see, for sorting any array or list, you had to write long code in C programming, but in Python you can print within 2 lines. Let's create a new variable in which we are assigning number which are in unsorted manner 5, 4, 1. By using Python inbuilt library sorted, we are passing variable p to sorted and printing them. Let's run the code and see the output. By using 2-line code, we get sorted element in ascending order. You can see here 1, 2, 4, 5 are sorted in ascending order. This all are the advantage of using Python programming language. As you may know now, Python is very important language and it would be definitely beneficial if you start learning it. Thank you.